second round of tomato harvest. They are beautiful pear tomatoes and red cherry tomatoes. The beautiful fig that we had growing disappeared. My hubby thinks a squirrel enjoyed it because I'm not sure. The only other, well, we have rabbits in the yard and other kitty cats, but more likely a squirrel ate it. But he says there's a couple more figs coming on, so maybe we'll get a fig. I hope anyway. I have a couple of strawberries that are almost ready to pick. Another day or so. I think hubby said there were 4 strawberries on there. Anyway, strawberries coming on. So far, no cucumbers. These cucumbers were supposed to be the kind that didn't require male and female. I thought that would take care of the problem of us getting cucumbers, but I guess I've heard other people say this is not a good cucumber year for them. So I'm not sure when I've had a good cucumber year. Hubby keeps picking handfuls of blackberries, and I think he's sticking them in the refrigerator or the freezer for when he gets enough to do something with them. Like maybe can a batch of jam. Let's see, what else have I harvested this year? A good handful of raspberries, but I forgot to weigh them, so I did weigh the tomatoes so that I can report my teensy-weensy bit of weight at the end of the Shed Wars season, which will be coming up in the not too near distant future, I'm sure. I have not heard the end date, but it's usually in October. Well, I re-put different coverings on my couch to keep cat hair off of it, and now I have a cute picture of my kitty cat taking a nap. On the back of the couch. She loves the soft chenille that I put on there. Oh, and I'm going to make a video about the new plant, an indoor plant that my hubby got for me. It's a Siam tulip. So watch for a video I will be making about Siam tulips and what they are and how to take care of them. So watch for that coming up. Probably my next video. Well, I know this one was short. But I just wanted to share with you. Those little tomatoes have been tasting really well, really yummy. I'm enjoying them. And I want to say thank you to my hubby for being an extension of my gardening arm. Yes, he's the one who's been having to do the outside work for me since I can't. Maybe by next summer I can. That's what I'm hoping, but that's what I said last year at this time. But I'm better than I was last year at this time, so I'm looking forward to actually being able to do some of my own gardening. Soon, I hope. Just keep those prayers coming in. Well, I'll let you go. May God's love and blessings envelop your life. We'll see you on my next video. This is Darlene from Darlene's Garden and Home.